I've been doing this for about 30 years. Indy Craft was formed in 1997 as a merger of two companies, an existing company that I had along with a partner, just to kind of go more. We originally were more decorative painters, but had a strong background in commercial and residential painting and decided to expand back into those markets. Networking group that I've been in for 12 years. My business coach, Tim, joined the group. We had a couple one-to-ones, and I think that a lot of business owners may be really good at what they do. Doesn't necessarily mean they're really good at running a business. And I kind of felt like I felt into that category and felt like Tim could really help me move to the next level of ownership by hiring. That's a really good question. We're young into it. I think for me as an owner, just learning to delegate authority to other people and trusting them instead of trying to do everything myself and never having enough time to do anything well. Um, that's been a big win for me. I think just as I move forward with this, being able to free up more of my personal time and not trying to do all of the day-to-day activities that need to be done, focus more on business development and customer relations and the things that I think I can bring to the company and step aside and let some of our employees handle things that they're completely capable of doing. I, Tim and I have talked for over a year, and I think I knew deep down that I would benefit from it. Um, I think as business owners, we all know what we need to be doing. A lot of it is accountability. You know, when you're the business owner, and I'm sure everyone will relate to this, you're answering to clients, but you kind of get to do what you want to do. And having a coach that holds you accountable for those things, it can be very frustrating, but that's a good thing. And so I think it holds you accountable to committing to doing things that you keep throwing on the back burner because you think you have more important things to do, and you've got someone holding you accountable um, on a weekly and daily basis of where are you on those things. And it's not so easy to just keep throwing them on the back burner and not getting around to doing them. IndyCraft.com. We are located in Indianapolis off of 65th and Bedford Boulevard. Um, Kind of our specialty is the higher end residential market or the higher end commercial market. We do a lot of furniture and kitchen cabinets and just sometimes painting projects where you're not really sure where to turn that are maybe a little kind of somewhere in the middle of a painting contractor and an artist. That's a really good, that's a good market for us. That's kind of where we float.